what we have here at Unique, especially in classics. You're not always going to see them as clean as this one. Wow. 1999 GMC Yukon SLE. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Confirmed actual miles on it. Original Wyoming vehicle. All right, so underneath the hood, 5.7 liter crate engine with just a little over 13,000 miles is all. Odometer, 119,832 actual miles in this vehicle right now. Color, storm gray upper, pewter lower. Yes, those are factory colors. It is riding on a more modern GM 20-inch wheel. Of course, nicely equipped power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold, heat blows hot. Take a look at the chrome and the bright work up front on this one. And yes, this one looks as good in person as it does the videos, the pictures. You can see paint has a nice shine to it, and we're going to go around this car, get into some more details underneath the hood. I want to talk to you a little bit about the undersides, the interior, and you can check out the still pictures for all of that at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. If you're interested in this vehicle, I wouldn't wait. All right, so back to that 20-inch, more modern GM wheel. As far as the brakes, it is newer brakes in this all the way around, all four corners. It does have new shocks in the front. There's air shocks in the rear. Let's take a look down this passenger side, and as you can see, it is not full of nicks, dings, scratches, rust, anything like that. Lower rockers, very solid. I love the Deflecta Shield running boards. There to protect, and they are nice and sturdy. All right, lower rockers. Let's keep going. When have you seen one of these this clean? You can tell this thing did not spend its entire life in Minnesota and Minnesota winters, no doubt about that. And then look at the upper half. Again, free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. I really haven't noticed much at all. Side glass is tinted, so know your local and state laws for the percentage of window tint that you can have, albeit it's not real dark. I want to show you this interior. Look at this passenger seat, the condition of that. Buckets up front, center console. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let's hear it run. It appears that interior lights and everything have been changed to LED, which is very nice. Luggage rack. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Barn doors in the back of this, excuse me. Receiver hitch, a towing package. All right, some of the details I want to get into on this. AC was just gone through. Any components that were needed to be replaced were replaced. It has all new front end components, moogs, bushings, etc. Complete exhaust with cats. So catalytic converters are on there. I mentioned the shocks that are new in the front, air shocks in the rear. Does have an aftermarket stereo system, nice stereo system install. Differential fluids are all good. Lots of new components under the hood. If it needed it, it was done. Transfer case works as it should. Wish I had room in my garage. This would be one of those to pick up and hang on to, use when needed. Let's take a look down this driver's side again. Just free of corrosion, rust, much for dings, major dents, etc. If you like these GMC or Chevy SUVs, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. The videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. Look at the shine on that paint. Go ahead and open this back door so you can see this too. It's kind of one of those that I joke around where you got floor mats on the floor mats. Of course, bench seat showing very little wear whatsoever. Check out the still pictures. Rear fan controls. And again, that LED lighting. Little things. How many times do you see these nets kind of sagging? Not much elasticity left in them. Can't believe I got that word out. Looks good. How nice that door closes. Wow. Of course, your modern equipment, this is nicely loaded for an SLE with the power windows, power mirrors, power locks, door panels, look like new. Maybe just slight wear over here in the driver's seat, but boy, that's being awful fussy. Tilt column, overhead console, headliner all good. There's your exact miles. 119, 823 was it? 832, sorry. A little over 13,000 on the engine is all. No check engine lights, service engine soon lights, anything like that. Still got the door open. We're gonna have a little beep. Sorry about that. So Pioneer stereo system added. It sounds like to me they changed the speakers too, if you ask me. In those doors, it sounds good. Top of the dash. Nice shape. There's no surprises on this one, folks. I'm going to slip around to the back so you can hear it run. Could it sound any better? Just the way you'd want it to. Nice polished exhaust tip also. All right, let's slip up to the front. You got to see this engine bay. Yes, it's as clean as the rest of the vehicle. In the still pictures, look at the underside. This thing unbelievably dry, considering it's been driven. Look at the undersides. Yeah, there's just your typical kind of aging, I guess, if you will, but under the engine, differential, just spotless. Check out the undersides. But first, we'll take a look underneath the hood. We're going to wrap up this walk around. Jason will take this for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. I think I know. I think this one's going to drive out nice. All right, here you go. And you talk about clean as a whistle underneath here. AC Delco replacement battery. Talk about a fussy previous owner. Look at this engine bay. It's like newer alternator. Like I said, many newer components underneath this hood. Along with that Crate 350, just a little over 13,000 miles on it. I don't know if they get a lot cleaner than this one. 1999 GMC Yukon SLE 4x4. Phone number to call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Like I said, take your time looking through the still pictures. Look at those underside, interior, engine bay, all of them. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1999 GMC Yukon. This truck is in very good condition. I'm looking around at how clean it is inside thinking, how can this have as many miles as it says it does? It has been well maintained. Smooth running. We got a Pioneer stereo on the dash that sounds great. Sounds like the speakers may have been upgraded too, just by ear there. Heaters blowing some warm air on this Minnesota cold day. Speedometer working, tachometer working, the cruise control works. Our fuel gauge is reading a half a tank. The battery's charging over 14 volts. The oil pressure is 60 psi. And the temperature is slowly rising. Looks like about 130 or so. Still rising. Push button, 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive, high and low. All the goodies. It is comfortable. We've got cloth bucket seats in this truck. Maybe the little brother to the Suburban. A little easier to get around, a little less massive, but feels the same. Power steering working great. This truck stays pretty flat in the corners. Brakes are very nice. This is just amazingly maintained. You'll definitely want to take a look at all the pictures and see how good this truck looks at uniqueclassiccars.com.